How to enable SMB 1.0 network protocol on Windows 11. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily enable or turn on your SMB 1.0 network protocol. Let's begin, but before getting started, make sure to head down below to give our video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos as well. Let's begin. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your run dialog box, and in order to do that you just hold your Windows plus R key simultaneously and your run dialog box will pop up. Here on the search bar you are going to search for appwiz.cpl right here and click on OK. Once you do this, all of these programs and features will load up on your screen. Now, what you have to do is on the left side of your screen, you will see Turn Windows Features On and Off. Click right here and another Windows Features dialog box will pop up. Now, you just have to scroll down until you find this SMB 1.0 CIFS file sharing support. Click on this plus right here on the left and make sure to check all of these boxes. Once you do that, click on OK and just wait for a while for it to load. It will apply the changes and it will ask you to restart. So you can click on restart now and your problem should be fixed. Your SMB 1.0 network protocol will be enabled. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.